Welcome to episode number 4 of our Mediumship Training and Development series. In this episode, we're answering a few questions. Let me know if you've had any of these. How to be a medium? Am I a medium? How do mediums work? We are also going to be busting a huge myth.
Can't wait for that one. This series is an introduction to our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
Make sure that you catch all of the videos in this series in the link below, where we cover the basic foundation of mediumship development.
Whether you're more advanced or just asking how do mediums work, this is the place for you.
And for those of you who are just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
And I'm David.
From ZenRoseGarden.
.com, home of Zen Academy. Since 2008, we have helped thousands of people around the globe to develop their psychic mediumship gifts with clarity and confidence using our signature NBA method.
As you guys come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.
So we want to address a secret question that many newly developing mediums have about their abilities. And that is, am I a medium? Okay, do I have that special something, or do I just want to have it and I don't have it?
Or do I have to be born with it? Or maybe it's Maybelline. I don't know. There has always been this ongoing debate about those who are born with it and those who have Maybelline. We're talking about born psychics and mediums and made psychics and mediums. Some say that you have to be blessed by some magical tooth fairy at birth. Others, that are actually more educated and developed, will tell you that you can learn it if you are willing.
And like we said in the last video,
be sure to catch the full series below.
It has more to do with finding the right direction to help you open up in a way that is natural to your own ability. To be clear, we have had many students, who have surpassed others with more natural talent, because a lot of the so-called 23rd generation born mediums become lazy with their training.
Or never get any at all.
And they get passed by more passionate go-getter students who surpass their natural ability with a willingness to work harder.
And that's the thing. Advanced, accomplished mediums will tell you that anyone can learn because they have mastered the craft and know how to break down the steps.
Others will tell you differently because they need to feel special. And that, plain and simple, that's what it is. There is still some kind of fear there, in my opinion. Fear that somebody else will steal their fire, maybe.
Or maybe ego. Maybe they just need to be the smartest kid on the block and you can't be. Kind of selfish, in my opinion. A word of advice. Don't rush. Take your time. Practice your skills. Remember, you have to walk before you run or run a marathon. It is just like learning any other skill. Have patience. Don't rush it. See where you're already developing and where your gifts are already opening. Maybe watch some of our other videos. Anyway, don't forget to catch all of the videos in this particular series using the link below so that you can have a better basic foundation for mediumship development.
In the next episode, it's time for that epic battle of psychic versus medium. Who wins? Find out in the next video.
Who wins? Find out in the next video. If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, you might be interested in our metaphysical school and community, Zen Academy. This is where we have focused our life's work with thousands of clients around the globe and where you can take advantage of PhD-backed education, weekly practice, and a supportive community experience.
Zen Academy is built around our unique NBA method that aligns your body, mind, and spirit, unlocking clarity and confidence in your psychic gifts so that you live your purpose with confidence while enjoying the support of like-minded people.
And if you are ready to level up your psychic mediumship skills, we also have our advanced mediumship training and certification program.
If you want to learn more, you can click the links in the description.
Those are down below, by the way. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we've got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
Hit it hard. If you want to see more videos like this,
be sure to subscribe.
And spank that naughty bell to turn notifications on.
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video.
Or go live.
Drop a new video or go live. And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. And the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your skills, your mind, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that. Even more, we want to make sure that you have the opportunity to binge to your heart's content, and that might be in any of these other videos that we have over there. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can figure it out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.